Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to get Sabrina Carpenter's look. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. I'm starting today's look with a natural matte foundation. The one I've chosen is from Lancome. It's called the Tinty Dole Foundation. This foundation is lightweight, transfer-free, has sunscreen in it, and will give you a smooth, even finish. It's also full coverage, which for my skin is a plus. A couple tips when applying foundation: make sure you do good skin prep, which I've already done, and then press the foundation into your skin. Go from your hand to your skin and warm it up. For blush, I'm going to do Sabrina's signature look by using Rare Beauties blush. She likes a full cheek, and so I'm going to brush it on the apples of my cheeks and then pull backwards. She also has a beautiful radiant glow, so I'm going to use the Beauty Light Wand from Charlotte Tilbury. Place it on the tops of your cheekbones and down the center of your nose and in the pout. Blend with your fingers for a radiant glow. For eyes, I'm going to use the Better Than Chocolate palette. I'm starting with a flesh tone color and I'm going to place it from lash to brow. This will even up the colors in my eye area and prepare my eyelids and crease for other colors. Next, I'm going to use Cake My Day in the crease. This adds shape and definition to my eyes. I'm going to wrap the same color underneath my eyes for framing. And on the lids, I'm going to use Lick the Bowl so that the whole look comes together. I'm going to apply Milk It on the inner corner of my eyes. This is going to give a wide awake effect. For liner, I'm going to use Lancome's Le Stylo waterproof liner across the top of my lids. For definition, from inner corner to outer corner. And then in the outer corner, I'm going to add extra, and then with my fingertip, pull it out for a little bit of a flick. Sabrina doesn't do a big cat eye, but she definitely has shape, and this will widen the eyes. She also adds a little bit of eyeliner just in the outer corner of the eyes. Again, for more shape and definition. This gives a wide awake effect. And I'm going to blend it with the opposite end of my eyeliner. She likes bold lashes, so I'm going to curl my lashes first and then apply fake lashes. And then to finish the eye look, use mascara on the bottom lashes. I like this one from L'Oreal because it has a straight brush and it's easy to get into all the little lashes underneath. Concealer comes next. I always do concealer after the eye makeup so that I can clean up eyeshadow fallout and smooth the under eyes. Sabrina likes a full brow, so I'm going to use the Gimme Brow from Benefit and brush it on my eyebrows. I'm going a little bit darker than I normally do, just to give balance to the look. And to complete the look, I'm going to do a full pout. Start with Revlon's chocolate pencil and line the lips. Sabrina does a very thick, strong line. Next, I'm going to fill in my lips with Lancome's Elle Absolue Rouge lipstick in Merci Simone. You want a two-toned color, so this color is lighter than the lip liner. And to complete the looks, you need gloss. I'm going to use the Juicy Tube from Lancome in Hallucination. And no Sabrina Carpenter look could be complete without bangs, so I'm going to use a bang hair extension. And here's the final look. This is a soft, glamorous look that is easy to do. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.